What's up guys? So when it comes to the camera performance, Huawei and Google are on the top list. Huawei always try to introduce something new to the camera every year, like they always try to push for innovations. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So it seems this time again, they are planning to introduce something game-changing in their smartphones, while a new report has suggested that the upcoming Huawei's P50 series will feature liquid lens camera technology, which have a focusing time of just milliseconds. So the company submitted patent of liquid lens, and it has been approved on April 7, 2020, so it's highly rumored that the upcoming Huawei's P50 series will have this technology. So, what basically a liquid lens do? If I tell you in a simple words, this new lens offers certain advantages, like extremely fast focusing speed, which can level in just milliseconds, similar to a human eye, with an accuracy rate of almost 100%. To explain the liquid lens technology in brief, traditional lenses achieve zooming and focusing by adjusting the focal length between two fixed focal length lenses. The liquid lens, however, have electricity pass through it to change the shape of the liquid to control imaging. Furthermore, it would improve the time it takes to focus on a particular subject and could even help with the optical image stabilization as well. If the Chinese tech giants manage to make the liquid lens technology more durable, then its reliability would also be improved under abnormal conditions, or after impacts or accidental drops. And one might be wondering why Huawei has to implement such complex camera module into a smartphone. Like it's complex, because it will include a moving motor, camera placeholder, and electronic hardware to move the liquid lens. The answer is, liquid lens offers faster autofocus and better stabilization, and it takes less space than other lens and can eliminate the need for additional TOF sensor, which is a great thing. And having said that, it's not officially confirmed, but I believe that the Huawei's P50 series will get it, because Huawei P smartphone stands for photography, and this time, if Huawei wants this phone to sell well, they definitely need to introduce a new technology, rather than relying on the old one. And I think it will be the game-changing feature of the Huawei's P50 series. So let's see what Huawei ends up doing, and right now, take this with a pinch of salt, and stay tuned for the next information regarding that. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this new technology? Anyway, let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm up? So